The DJI Avata 3 has just made its first appearance online, giving us an early glimpse of DJI's next-gen FPV drone. Not only that, but reliable leaker OCDLV has confirmed via Twitter that the Avata 3, along with the DJI Mini 5 Pro and DJI Air 3 Neo, is coming soon. The Avata 3 is expected to feature major upgrades, many of which are rumored to be borrowed from DJI's higher-end drones. In today's video, we're breaking down everything we know so far about the DJI Avata 3, from design tweaks and rumored specs to its possible release timeline. Let's dive in. The first public sighting of the Avata 3 came from drone enthusiast Igor Bogdanov, who captured outdoor test footage showing two different prototypes. One of them closely resembles the original Avata, but there are some clear changes. At a glance, the drone appears slightly larger than its predecessor, and so does the camera gimbal, hinting at a bigger sensor. OCDLV has already claimed that the Avata 3 will feature a larger CMOS sensor, which aligns with what we see in the leaked images. However, it still seems to stick with a single-axis stabilization design. Externally, the Avata 3 keeps a similar body design to the Avata 2, though under the hood, there's more to be excited about. It's expected to house a 1-inch sensor with up to 20 megapixels, allowing it to shoot 4K at 120 frames per second, ideal for capturing fast, cinematic FPV footage. Thanks to the bigger sensor, image quality should also improve significantly in low-light conditions. The Avata 3 will also support 10-bit D-Log, offering more flexibility for color grading in post. For still photography, we're looking at up to 48 megapixel resolution, producing sharper and more detailed images. So, when can we expect it? While DJI hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, they usually follow an 18-month R&D cycle between product releases. Since OCDLV has confirmed it's in the pipeline, a launch within the next few months seems likely. If we had to bet, August, a month DJI often uses for launches, could be when the Avata 3 is revealed. One of the most anticipated upgrades would be omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, something the Avata line desperately needs. New FPV pilots tend to crash a lot in the learning phase, and having obstacle detection on all sides could help build confidence. Ideally, these sensors would also be toggleable, letting experienced users switch them off when flying through tight or complex environments. Another key feature expected is DJI's OcuSync 4 Plus transmission tech, which could push the transmission range up to 30 kilometers while delivering stable, high-definition live video to your goggles. Battery life has always been a challenge for sinuhope-style drones. The Avata 2 could only manage around 23 minutes, which often isn't enough for multiple retakes. With the Avata 3, we're hoping for at least 30 minutes of flight time, which would be a significant improvement. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed.